The government is reviewing duties on imported food with the aim of reducing these charges and ultimately the price of food. Prime Minister Dr. Holness asserts that the government will not increase the cost of food with more taxes, but instead implement a strategic review of tariffs for goods that are not produced at competitive prices locally.
The Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, along with the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, established a working group to conduct a strategic review of all our food imports to determine which duties to reduce. Recommendations from the group are now being reviewed by the Ministry of Finance for implementation.
Dr. Holness emphasizes that a significant portion of the money spent on imported food is due to taxes, including import duties, stamp duties and general consumption tax, GCT, in addition to compliance fees and an environmental levy. The Prime Minister is assuring that the measure to reduce import food prices would not harm local farmers and that the government will be increasing the Ministry of Agriculture's $1.2 billion production and productivity program to help farmers navigate any uncertainty.
The government will also ensure through the Consumer Affairs Commission and the Ministry of Agriculture that distributors, wholesalers and supermarkets do not exploit consumers by inflating prices. Commodity price reports will be published bi-weekly through traditional and social media to keep the public informed and protect consumers from unfair practices.
Dr. Holness went on to highlight that the government has consistently supported local farmers through the AgriCare initiative and has since provided more than $4 billion in direct support to them.